Hey guys, welcome back to another science experiment with Miss McCusey. So this week we're doing one kind of in honor of Valentine's Day that involves some candy. So we only have a few materials that we need this week. The first is either some Skittles or M&Ms. It will work with either one, Skittles or M&Ms. I'm going to try it with both just so you guys can see it in case you're not doing it at home. You'll see what it looks like. You will need water, which I will get from the sink. Any water will do. And then you'll also need a mostly flat white plate. So mine does have color around the edge, but that's okay. And then the bottom part of it is flat. So that's where we will be putting our M&Ms or Skittles. All right, so the next part of this video, I'm going to film showing you what I do on the plate. All right guys, so here's my plate. I know there's a lot of reflections on it, but that's okay. And I'm gonna start with Skittles. So I'm just gonna get a handful and put them on the plate. And so what we're gonna do is put them around the edge of the plate, and it can be in any pattern that you want. So my plan, I'm putting them on the flat part of the plate. So not up here where it's curved and they might fall. Make sure you put it on the flat part. My plan is to just do it like one of each color and go all the way around. So we'll make sure I have enough. And I think I am missing a color. Green, oh, green. Okay. I'm gonna keep going. You can also do it in a fun shape. I'll do the Skittles just in a circle, and then when I switch to M&Ms, I'll try out maybe a heart shape in honor of Valentine's Day. There's orange. Oops, I need a red. So you don't need a ton of Skittles or M&Ms. It really doesn't matter exactly how many of each that you have. It'll work with any amount. I'm hoping to have enough to do it right around the edge of the plate though and make a full circle. All right, I'll check back in once I have my Skittles placed. All right guys, here are my Skittles. So I did them in a pattern all the way around. I didn't do rainbow, but it's kind of close. And next I'm going to go get just a cup of water, and I will show you what to do with the water next. All right guys, so I just got some warm water from the sink. So I didn't microwave it. It says to use warm water, so I just used hot water and poured it in this mug. And what we're gonna do is pour it very slowly into the middle of the plate until it covers the Skittles. We wanna do this slowly because if we do it too quickly, it might move the Skittles around. So I'm gonna start pouring. And then you want it to just cover the top of the Skittles. All right. And so you can see the places where the water hit first are starting to go a little bit sooner. All right guys, this time I'm gonna try pouring it out of this cup to see if it's a little bit easier to control. If you have like a pitcher or a measuring cup or something that's easier to pour out of, you might want to try using that. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna slowly try to pour it back in the middle of the plate until it covers the M&Ms. think the colors stayed separate a little bit better with the Skittles, but they're definitely staying in a pattern with the M&Ms as well. And they're slowly going to meet in the middle. And just like with the Skittles, you can see the color coming off of the M&Ms too. All right, and then just for fun, I'm going to show you what happened after I moved the Skittle plate and after it's been sitting for a little bit. It doesn't look quite as pretty anymore. Ooh, there's all that color mixed together in the middle. It looks a lot weirder. Okay guys, if you do this experiment, be sure to show me how it turns out on Flipgrid. If you don't do the experiment, you can still post on Flipgrid and share your observations from watching my experiment. So what happened? What did you notice during these two experiments with the M&Ms and the Skittles? All right guys, I have to show one more thing that I noticed the longer the M&Ms sat here, and you might be able to see it, and it is that the M's on the M&Ms came off and are now floating in the water. They're all over the place. The M's have stuck together, but they came off of the candy. In fact, if you look at the candy, now it's just the chocolate that's inside the M&Ms. Everything else is gone, but all those M's are still floating in the water. I just thought that was really cool and wanted to share that.